Oh my goodness. I was supposedly doing mukbang for lunch, and all this time I was chit-chatting with you guys. Look, I'm almost done with my meal. And I just realized that I was not really I was not really recording till now. I clicked on the stop, but instead of stopping it started recording. So okay guys, so I'm eating a vegan burrito. It's spinach, a tortilla. It has spinach inside, mushrooms, pico de gallo, baked potatoes. Oh my god, sorry. And I'm just trying to eat healthy, I was saying at the beginning. But I was also saying that I am not going to eat too much out anymore. Like, I'm gonna try not to don't know if it's gonna make me a vegetarian by saying this, but I'm gonna try not to eat meat, like just vegetables. And I'm gonna try, but so yeah, I'm eating my healthy burrito. So I was saying that I've been so busy this month. I've been busy even on the weekends. I have projects to do, hair. There's a lot of quinceañeras, a lot of weddings, and first communion, and I've been a little bit booked. Which I thank God for the opportunity, because, you know, business is starting to pick up a little bit. So you gotta be appreciative for that, you know, that little extra money. Nothing's free in this world, so a little extra money, never hurts. I take my kids out, buy more stuff and stuff like that, you know. So guys, this is the flaming torazo, something like that. This one has fries, carne asada, and pico de gallo, and the hot Cheetos. So this is gonna be, like I said, like my last thing that I will be buying out here, because I am going to try to bring my own lunch, and I'm going to try not to eat junk food, because this is considered junk food. I just wanted to try it before I started my diet, because I've been craving this torazo flaming, I forgot, Cheetos. Also has avocado. So yeah guys, I don't want to make this video too long, so just stay tuned. I have more things to bring, more hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, face painting, as soon as, As soon as I'm not busy anymore with bookings or stuff like that, I will get into that. And if you're following me, thank you. If I haven't gotten to some of you guys' videos, so sorry. Like, sometimes it gets busy. Yeah, I try. I really try. Just give me a chance to get to all of you. You know, it's hard to watch so many videos. You know, like I try just when I have my spare time, and it's also not a lot of time I have. Just a little spare time, then I try and look at some of you guys that follow me, your videos, and I know so many of you guys that I know it's hard, and I know it's hard for you guys too. Don't feel bad. I mean, everybody's trying to work on their little channels to grow, and you know, just don't think that I'm not supporting. You know, it's hard. That's all I could say. Like, so you can follow me on my social media. I'll leave all the links down below. And see you guys on my next video.